So hello crypto addicts, how you guys doing? So here's a quick update on how you get started with Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. It's just $2, guys. It's just like building the wall. The difference is you don't set up to build a wall, right? What you do is you get started just $2. You put $2 this week, you put $2 next week, you put $2 the week after, and you do this for the next 12 months. After the 12 months, you're going to look at your balance and see what you get. So like I mentioned before in the previous video, is like going to the bank and asking the bank about opening a compound interest savings account. Okay, so what the bank does, they will open that account with a certain amount, and then you agree with the bank not to touch in that money or in that balance until you're 60 or 80. So it's your retirement plan. But you only thing you can do is put more money in. You can never take money out until you turn 60 or 50, whatever deal you make. So this is exactly the same thing, but it's the cryptocurrency. Okay, so you get started at $2, but just remember, you don't set out to build a wall. You're gonna start break by break. Okay, just like Will Smith says.
You don't try to build a wall. You don't set out to build a wall. You don't say, I'm gonna build the biggest, baddest, greatest wall that's ever been built. You don't start there. You say, I'm gonna lay this brick as perfectly as a brick can be laid. And you do that every single day.
And soon you have a wall.
And soon you have a wall.
And let's remember Donald Trump as well.
We need to build a wall.
Okay, guys. So please comment, rate, subscribe, and check the video to get started. Just $2, step by step. The links are below this video. Click the like and subscribe button. I'm Nunes from Wells Express. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.